So ano ito? Sinarungsong.
I think this one is sinarungsong.
Ito ang sinarungsong. Ano siya? Ay, sorry.
Oo.
Masarap yung buko.
Ay, nabuko, kain ko.
Sinarungsong ba yan?
Ito, sinarungsong. Ito may suman na malagkit.
Ito suman.
Ito ang suman na malagkit.
Sinarungsong. Di ba pareho yan?
This one is made of rice. And
okay. So ito naman.
And this one is made of kamote.
Oh.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Yeah, this one made of sweet potato made of rice.
Oo.
And this one is suman.
Oh, nice. So yan ang delicacy.
Malagkit.
Yes.
And that one is puto made of rice. Puto made of rice.
Oh, okay. So ito ano
You
yan?
try it.
I will.
You try it.
I will. Ay, masarap.
And then you try this one.
Sarap ha?
And this one. Malap. Masarap.
Ayan, wow.
You try this.
Parang masarap ito. Oh, look at that.
So we can bring this one home.
Oh, really?
If you like it.
Ay, parang para siyang taho.
Oh.
Yeah. Parang taho ang peg, oh. Nice.